Hey everybody, this is your host Josh
and Bobby.
Bryson. Hey, Richard back here.
and this is what we call the Deschutes River ManTrain. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah, boy. We got these, dude. We got to swim this way. Alright. Like I'm getting out there. We're fine. We're fine. I'm pulling. Pulling the rope. Okay, yeah, we're pulling. Okay, I'm dragging. I'm gonna loop through. No, it's gonna push us. Don't worry, it's gonna push us. It's gonna push us. It's gonna push us out. Fuck this ManTrain. It's cold, but it's okay. It's so fucking cold. You know how much water gets in the face? Because every time I've done this, I swim up on the rapids.
This is so much fun.
But we're connected.
We're connected.
We're connected. The fucking Deschutes River ManTrain.
Best fun experience we've ever had. Best fun experience. They'll put me up. You got to go under. What?
Oh man. ManTrain! I almost got through! I'm almost drowned!
You're too high up.
You're too high up!